Well, your experience with this work is that you did a session with me a year and a half ago.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell us what shifted for you, or?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember feeling a decent sized release from my body and mentally and physically. And then I felt really good. Like I remember telling my friends about the experience I had, and looking at it now, I really tie that into what was going on in my life, especially with my family at that time. And it was kind of a subtle but also deep beginning of healing with my family members and I. I felt resentment kind of just fade away, and I felt like I was able to see specific things in my past that made me have these resentments towards my family members.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was able to see them and be like, you know what, I forgive, and then it kind of released, and then my relationship with my family, each family member actually, some more than others, but it just got much better.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, did you be able to increase your friendship with them? Is that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, like we're friends now.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's really fortunate.
Yeah.
That's a really good report.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.